Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today our topic is object oriented programming, also OOPS. So what is OOPS? Object oriented programming says write code in object form. OOPS has some key principles and concepts, and if we follow them, it means that we are coding in object oriented programming. We have some key principles that are objects, classes, encapsulations, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll talk about these in detail in later sections. So key principles and concepts of OOPS are, so we will discuss this in a real scenario. Suppose we have a person, like this person has the personal informations like the name, age, date of birth, the gender, right? This person is also have the behavior, like he can run, he can sing, he can dance, or he or she can swim. And this behavior called methods and function in programming language, and the personal information called properties in programming language. So once these personal information and behavior come together with a person and combine one single unit is called class. So this class is basically we can say a blueprint or a template, right? So we are not doing anything here, we are just defining the personal information properties like name, age, date of birth, and gender, and some behavior, run, sing, dance, swim, any other behavior we can define here, like he can walk, he can do other thing also. Apart from this, in the personal information, we can also add more properties over here. So this is, we are just defining this class as a template or the blueprints. So we can inherit create an object from this class, like from person we create a person one, and in the person one, the personal information we can define like name as a Raman, his age should be 24 years, it may be anything, right? And date of birth 25th 9 1992, gender male. These information is imaginary, this is not related to anyone, so you can define any properties, right? And the behavior, he can run, he can swim, right? So one this is called object, right? So we define the blueprint in the this section, like personal behavior, and we can create an object from here, and then we can define like the value of the name, age, date of birth, value of date of birth, value of the male in the object. We can create an object, and then we can define the behavior of this person here in this section. When this then we create an object and person one, and once this person has personal information, behavior work together as an entity, that is called the encapsulation. Encapsulation is basically bind the properties and behavior or methods in one single unit, right? So suppose I want to access run, right? So we will say object one, the person one dot run, right? Or I want to access the properties like the person one dot name, the name should be Raman. So this way we can access. So binding these personal information, behavior with person with the object in a single entity called encapsulation. Also it has some access specifier. Access specifier means we can define this behavior and can access some of the behavior in the object, right? So maybe here in the object one we can't access sing and dance, so we just hide these information from class or this object, right? So we can define some access specifier so that it can be accessed in wherever we have defined, either it is should be publicly available or it should be in the same class or the inherited class. We'll talk about the inherited class or publicly available or the private class later in the next sessions. So we create now we create another object person2. Again, the personal information we have, like the name is Rajni, value we provide the name, and value is Rajni, and the age value is 26 years, and date of birth value is 10 to 1990, and gender I put the female, right? This is the information we provide, the value we have given, and the behavior is she can run, she can sing, she can dance, but she can't even swim, as it can't be accessible because of the encapsulated this is the encapsulated method from the class for this object, right? So now now this again, this is an encapsulation is, I already said, the properties and methods should be worked as a single unit, that is called encapsulation. And also the data heading, as I said, only some of the properties and method could be accessed in the different object or class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Have a